It is Wednesday morning. I've been awake for a little while. I washed my hair, so it's still a little bit wet. But I'm actually waiting for a package because we ordered an automatic cat feeder. So I'm really excited to see if it works with the app and stuff and how that goes. So yeah, I'll show it later when it arrives. And in the meantime, I've just been working on another pin commission, one from JoJo's Bizarre World. And yeah, tonight we're actually gonna go to the movies. We're gonna see Thor, the new one. And yeah, I'm excited. But for now, I just have to work on this drawing a little bit more. The automatic cat feeder just arrived. Now it's time to open it up. We just connected the app to the cat feeder and it works now. So look, it should come out any second. So now when we're gone for a weekend, we can still keep an eye out on them. We can see what you're doing when we're gone, guys. We're now at the cinema. It's now the next day and the movie was really fun yesterday. We went to Thor Love and Thunder, is what it's called, I think. And yeah, now I'm just waiting for a package because I ordered 2 overalls and I hope they come soon, then I can try them on. The package just arrived. Let's hope they look good. I got one black denim and one brown one. My little sister actually has this one and I thought it looked so cute on her, so I wanted it as well. Alright, the first overalls, I think they fit perfectly and I like how they look. I'll just put on my boots and socks for this one to see how it would look together. Okay, I'm happy with both, so that went well. I didn't expect they would both fit this well, so that's nice. Yay! We're getting kind of hungry, so I think we're gonna order Burger King right now. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna order yet. They have a lot of good vegetarian stuff, so I'm excited. Burger King just arrived. I'm so hungry, so I can't wait. I got the vegan nugget burger and the vegan cheeseburger and fries. Yeah. Hi! It is now the next day and today we're gonna go to the city to get a few things for our little holiday, because next week we're gonna go from 1 till 4 August to Eifel, which is in Germany. It's like a nature park something. It should be really pretty there. So I need to get some last minute things like dry shampoo, a new deodorant and yeah, stuff like this. We just got home and we bought this watermelon in the city because it's super warm outside, so can't wait to eat this. Oh, they're so good. It is now the next day and we're sitting in the train on our way to Eifel. It's really warm. We have to wear a mask, but I'm sweating. Kitty cat. We just arrived in Heimbach and we're now walking to the place where we're staying. Yeah, it's super pretty here, so it's fun to walk around here. Look, everywhere is water and there's a wild chicken and there's mountains. It's so pretty here. They're wild chickens. Hello? Oh, that's a goose, right?
Yeah.
And those are chickens.
They want some food.
Are you scared?
No, he wants food.
He's not even scared. They're following us. I think we made friends. Hi. What?
Hello.
We don't have food, I'm sorry. We're part of their pack now. They're all coming. It's okay, you're a bit slow. We'll wait for you. This is so cute. We just arrived at the house and I'll show you around a bit. It looks very nice. Look, there's even a little light in the mirror. Tick, tick. So cool. Here's the bathroom. And there's a little mini oven. Can make some pizzas. And there's the TV. And here you can see what it looks like outside. It's such a cute little town. I love it here. And then here's the kitchen. Also with a toaster and an egg cooker. So yeah, it's really clean here. It's super nice. But yeah, we're a little bit hungry now. So we're gonna try to find a supermarket here and buy snacks because I'm starving. We got pompeers and shitfish. We can't wait for the pizza, so I'm gonna get some fries. I just finished eating the fries and I think we're gonna go look around the area a bit, see if there's a hike close by and yeah, see what it looks like here. They put cute little decorations here to show you which way the hike goes. It's so cute. Little unicorn, little tingling thing. I guess we have to go this way. Oh my goodness, it's a bunny. Look at it. Hello! Is it tasty? Good morning! It is now the next day. I just showered and I had to wash my hair again because it was so warm yesterday that it got super greasy, so still a bit wet. But yeah, we're gonna go to the bakery now. There's one close by and we're gonna get some fresh bread. It's so adorable here. This little sign, and there's a little tower, and the flowers. We just finished eating breakfast and now we're gonna walk to a lake, which is like half an hour walk or so, and then we're gonna see if maybe we can rent a little boat there. So let's go. We found the place that rents boats, so let's see if we can get one. We just returned the pedal boats and now we're going on a little hike because it's very pretty here. It's just a bit longer than we expected, but it's fine. We have time, so yeah. What you doing? We're just gonna rest a little bit and the cat just got food, so I'm just watching them eat. It's so cool that I'm able to watch them while being in the forest. shit everywhere. Ow, my feet hurt. Ow. Yes, we're still walking. We took a detour. I'll show my steps. 17,000 steps. I'm still going. Woohoo. Well, at least it's pretty here. 3.9 kilometers to go. My feet hurt. Help. We're finally home. I'm so tired. I just took a quick shower and now we're instantly gonna head out to dinner because we're both so hungry and it's already 6 p.m. So yeah, let's go eat. We just got home from the restaurant and now it's time to give our cat some food. Good night. It is now the next morning and we're walking to the swimming pool. I don't think I can really film there because it's not allowed, but I'll try to film as much as I can. It's already really warm. It's like 25 degrees and it's only 10 in the morning. So yeah, it's gonna be a really warm day. Haha. We're done swimming and we're gonna get some last minute pizza at the supermarket here right now. I have to put them in the fridge because there's no freezer here, but we're gonna eat them tonight anyway, so it doesn't matter. We just got back from the swimming pool. That's why I still have wet hair. But we're gonna get some ice cream now since it's our last day here, and then also go to the little wooden bridges where we were the other day to take some more photos because we didn't take that many. So yeah, let's go. Oh, it's warm. Where do you want to get ice cream?
There.
Where? There?
All the people are.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Hello. You're so small. Hi. It's warm, huh?
Have a nice day, okay?
Bye. I can't wave, I have no head. So many. Now we just have to spot one. Oh, it's so nice and cold here. I think they all fit perfectly.
Yeah, I had to.
They all fit perfectly. It's like it's meant to be. Hoo-hoo. She's just staring at the camera. Look at her. She's so fluffy. Good night, kitty. Good morning. It is now the next day and we spent the entire morning cleaning. Now it's all shiny again. Also got dressed and packed our bags and already had breakfast. Now we just have to wait for a train, which leaves in 1 hour. So we still have some time to walk around, see the area for the last time, and then we can go home. No, that's a little mouse. Oh no, it's a bird. Hello. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hi. What's up? Looks like he's wearing a mask.